Okay, we're over here at gotomath.com working some calculus, and we're actually doing some differentiation, and we're looking at all the rules of differentiation. And in this particular section here is where you'll find this problem, and actually we're focusing kind of on the product rule. Alright, so let's bring up the whiteboard and get started. So we have y is equal to x plus 10, and it is raised to the 15th power times x plus 11, and it's raised to the 5th power. So we're looking at the product rule, and the way the product rule goes is we're going to take the derivative of this first function here first, and so we're going to take the 15, bring it out front, subtract 1 from this exponent, so that makes that a 14, and then take the derivative of the inside and bring it out. So the derivative of x plus 10 is just 1, and that's it, right? Derivative of x is 1, derivative of 10 is 0. Alright, then we rewrite the second function, x plus 11, raised to the 5th power. So we don't do anything with that. Take the derivative of the first and then rewrite the second. Plus, then I'm going to rewrite the first and now we're going to take the derivative of the second. So this is going to be 5 times, that 5 comes out front, rewrite everything in parentheses, subtract 1 from the exponent, and then we take the derivative of what's inside and bring it out. And of course the derivative of x plus 11 is 1 also. So the derivative of x is 1, derivative of 11 is 0. So now we're at a point where, you know, we need to factor this thing and try to collapse it down as much as we possibly can. First off, I'm going to look at, we got a 15 here and a 5 here. So I can actually pull out a 5. It's the greatest common divisor between 15 and 5 there. And I can also pull out, we look at the ones with the smallest exponents, okay? So we got an x plus 10, we're going to be factoring that out. And we're also going to be factoring out an x plus 11 since that occurs in both. Factor out the ones with the smallest exponents. X plus 10 is 14, that's got the smaller exponent. And then x plus 11, we have a 5 here and a 4 here, so we're going to pull out the 4. Okay, now I'm going to start a bracket here. So I pulled 5 out of 15, that's going to be left with a 3. X plus 10 to the 14th, so we're going to pull out this entire thing. X plus 10 to the first, or no, sorry, we pulled it completely out, so crap, I'll have to erase that. I had to do some erasing there. We pulled out the x plus 10 to the 14th, pulled it completely out, but we are left with an x plus 11. I pulled 4 of them out, there's 5 there, so there's 1 left. Plus, we pulled the 5 completely out, and what about the x plus 10 to the 15th? Well, we pulled 14 of them out, so we're going to be left with only 1. X plus 10, and then of course pull that 5 out, and we pulled all of those guys out there. So it may take you some time to get this factoring thing down, but it's not too bad once you get it down. And this part here, we just need to distribute across 3x plus 33 plus x plus 10, right? So that becomes 4x plus 43. And I'm not going to rewrite this up here because I want to check this out, make sure 4x plus 43. Yeah, looks like that's it.